At VIVEbiotech, we've always believed in the power of innovation, and today we are proud to confirm a major shift happening in advanced therapies. We are currently working with 10 client programs that will administer lentiviral vectors in vivo, and we are proud to say that 2 of those are already in the clinic. These therapies range from CAR-Ts and vaccines to viral-like particles and rare disease treatments, delivered both systemically and locally. As a GMP-CDMO with a manufacturer's authorization for lentiviral vectors as final product, we are fully certified to support in vivo deliveries, from development through to clinical supply. In vivo gene therapies isn't just the future, it's happening now, and VIVEbiotech is ready to deliver.